Hello everybody, this is Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations. I've got a great recipe for you today. Hope you stay tuned, like, subscribe, leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. Don't go away, because here it comes. Okay, here you go. I've got a saucepan, like so, stainless steel. It's actually a Cuisinart. And I'm going to put it over high heat on a small burner here, like so. Like I said, I've got it on maximum heat, and we'll let this come up to temperature. Okay, as our saucepan has come up to temperature, I have a pure water filtered pitcher here. It's a Pure brand, and it's a pitcher, and I've got about a couple cups of cold water in there. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a couple cups of cold filtered pure water to our heated saucepan, like so. You can see how hot it was. It had a nice effect there, steam. Okay, as you can see, after about 5 minutes at high heat, you have what you call a pot of boiling water. So with this pot of boiling water, you can add your favorite teas, like so, chai tea, spice tea, herb tea. You can add your favorite noodle soup, like ramen. So you can add all kinds of wonderful things to boiling water and have a nice dinner and meal. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. So there you have it. Simple pot, couple cups of filtered water, and you have some perfect boiled water for any application. Hope you like, subscribe, leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time for another recipe video.